How to grow a Dichondra lawn. Dichondra repens, also commonly as ponysfoot, is a broadleaf perennial ground cover with a low and creeping growth habit. It is an invasive weed species when it colonizes lawn grasses, but can also grow as a green and low-maintenance alternative to lawn grass. The plant's spreading stems are lined with smooth, flat, kidney-shaped leaves, giving it the appearance of cascading lily pads. The benefits are that it grows in sun and shade where other grass species may struggle, and mowing requirements are lessened. The downside is that the species does not tolerate foot traffic well and it is invasive. Eradicating it is challenging, once it is established. Things you will need: Dichondra sod, plugs or seed. Water. Plant a new Dichondra lawn from sod, plugs or from seed in the spring or early summer, allowing the plants to become established in the soil as quickly as possible. Plant it in good quality, easy-draining garden soil with a full sun-to-shade exposure. Water Dichondra regularly and deeply, keeping the growing soil evenly and consistently moist to very moist, but not sopping wet. Depending on the climate, sun exposure, soil consistency and the season, this translates into a minimum of 1 to 3 inches of water per week. If the soil inch down feels slightly dry or you see some browning on the edges of the leaves, give it more water. Mow the Dichondra only if you wish, going no shorter than 1.5 inches from spring through fall and no shorter than inch during the winter. Do not mow the plants with any greater frequency than every 2 weeks, as mowing causes stress and the mower wheels cause light damage. Fertilize your Dichondra lawn lightly and frequently throughout the growing season using a nitrogen lawn fertilizer product with a guaranteed analysis of 21:7:14 or 15:5:10, or a similar NPK ratio. Follow the product label dosing and application directions carefully, opting for light and often feeding versus heavy and once per year. Refrain from using any weed and feed traditional lawn products, as this damages or kills broadleaf Dichondra. Tips: warnings. Do not overseed Dichondra with the cool season traditional grass seed like rye. Dichondra cannot tolerate the competition and dies in patches, leaving the lawn unsightly.